everybody! Today, Chitty got some nature salad pie! Ooh, yeah, nature salad pie! And I put a box of pie mix next to, just for the photo of pie and box. Yeah, see? Nature salad in a pie pan. Yeah, you know, nature salad, a mix of some, like, grass and some apple leaves and some, like, dandelion leaves. Yeah. Yeah, yes. Oh, Chitty got some pie. Nature salad pie. Chitty got some nature salad pie. Oh, yes. Click. Yes. Click. Chitty Bunny got some nature salad pie. Oh, Chitty. Click. Chitty Bunny got some nature salad pie. And now she's eating a dandelion leaf. That is nice, Chitty. Very good. Yes.